role of eye contact when you're talking about pedestrians, especially children, is something else you'd like to discuss relating to back to school, David.
Right, so often when we have a pedestrian knockdown case, which is where a car hits a pedestrian, when we go through the analysis, we say, well, the driver will say, well, the child darted out in front of me, and the parents will say, well, you know, you should have guessed the child was there to be seen, and of course it's a motorist's obligation to prove they did nothing wrong. There's a reverse onus. So one of the questions that always gets asked is, well, as the motorist, like, did you make eye contact with this individual before they crossed the street? And that is a good tip, I think, because we always ask the question, you know, did you look at them? Did they see you? And if you're a pedestrian and the motorist is not looking at you, they may be distracted or they just aren't paying attention. Wait, you know, take a look and make sure they see you. And as a motorist, if you're not sure what a pedestrian's going to do, look over, and if you're not 100% sure that they know you're coming through, be ready.
That's great for mums and dads and grandparents to hear, because that's a good lunch table conversation before kids head back to school.